Turtle Creativity. Today, we're going to make a t-shirt. This t-shirt is going to be for breast cancer awareness. In this video, we're going to be using the following things. One white t-shirt, Teflon sheet, the Easypress mat, the original Easypress, a Cricut weeding tool, my Cricut maker, a Cricut mat, the regular 12 by 12, and I will be using this fuchsia Cricut iron-on holograph paper to create my image. Are you ready to get started? I sure am. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is take off the protector sheet that is on top of my Cricut mat. And I like to save this because it protects our mat from anything that may stick on it accidentally. Next, I'm going to take the Cricut iron-on fuchsia holograph paper that I used for this project. Now, when using iron-on and creating shirts, you want to make sure that you're putting the paper down shiny side down. So that shiny side is going to go onto your mat. And I'm going to smooth it out to make sure there are no air bubbles. After you've done that, your paper will have covered your mat this way. Now it's time to load it into the Cricut maker. Now I'm going to head over to Design Space and prepare my image so that I can get ready to cut it. I've already created the image that I want, and now I'm going to finalize it. All I have to do is click on Make It. Now, because we're creating a t-shirt, I want to make sure that I click on Mirror so that that image, as it's cut, it is reversed. Now that I've clicked on Mirror, I am ready to click Continue. Now, all I have to do is make sure that the material that I'm using is selected, which is iron-on. I'm going to go ahead and use the default pressure. And now my mat is ready. So the light on my Cricut maker is blinking. That arrow that has arrow pointing up and an arrow pointing down. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Oh, it's getting ready. I'm going to go ahead and click on the C. And now it is beginning to cut it. I'm so excited. It's all finished. So now it's time to unload the mat. All right. To remove the vinyl off of the mat, I like to flip it over and press down. Now we're ready to weed the vinyl. Take your weeding tool and just find a piece in the corner that you can lift up. Pulling back, you are able to remove all of the pieces that you will not be using. After doing the big reveal, as I like to call it, go back in and remove any other pieces that need to be weeded out. My weeding is now complete, and this is what my image looks like. We're all ready to go to the shirt now. All right, let's get ready to press out our shirt. With my Easypress mat down, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my Easypress and have it heat up to the temperature that I desire. The temperature that I would like to use is 350. Clicking temperature on my Easypress, I am clicking the plus button and I'm raising the temperature to 350. Now, my t-shirt, which is new, I'm going to go ahead and take off the sticker. There we go. And I'm going to stretch my shirt out on my mat. Now that my Easypress is at the desired temperature that I would like to use, I am going to use it now to press out my shirt. Doing this gets out all the wrinkles and gives me a nice smooth surface for my vinyl to go on. Now I'm ready to place my image. I'm pressing down my image, making sure that it's exactly where I would like it for my t-shirt. Shifting it over. I have it exactly where I want it. I'm ready for my Teflon sheet. Placing my Teflon sheet on my image, I'm ready to press this out. I'm going to put my Easypress down and I'm going to press it in 2 and 4 sections. Just giving it a slight press. Now I'm going to put it on 30 seconds and press. Watching it count down, I'm too excited. Well, that sound means it's all pressed down. Let's pull our Teflon sheet back. Now let's pull back our carrier. Beautiful. This now we can throw in the trash. I would like to give our project one final press. So let's take my Teflon sheet, placing it on top of the image, and with my Easypress for 30 seconds, I am going to just press over, moving my Easypress just to make sure that I know it is adhered to my t-shirt well. That sound means it's done. I'm going to put it back in my carrier, remove my Teflon sheet, and because this image is actually this t-shirt is actually for a friend, I'm going to make sure that it's sealed completely. So with that, I'm going to flip it over. Don't have to worry about my Teflon sheet, so I'm going to actually put that aside. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to press it for 30 seconds on the back side. This makes sure that my vinyl is completely sealed and set in for my t-shirt. Again, moving my Easypress. It's about 13 seconds left, and then I can show you. That sound means it's done. Are you ready to see? I sure am. Ta-da! Here is the final press. Think pink. What do you think? Do you like it? I sure do. And hopefully my friend who this t-shirt is for will love it too. Well, everyone, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And to stay in the know, please hit the bell below. And remember, for the month of October and all year long, make sure that you think of pink. And remember to pray for those who are fighting and supporting those who have breast cancer. Goodbye, and I see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.